You're still planning about your future and you're talking about your dreams. You didn't take any action. And when you take an action or you started taking action, but you quite early after 3 or 2 days, but that is not your problem. Your environment is not your problem. Your motivation is not your problem. Hard work is not your problem. Talent is not your problem. The only simple thing you missed it is the simple small repetition system. That's why most people never succeed in the world, because they have the dream, they have a goal, but they don't have a real system. If you know about this, goal is the output things, or that is the final things we get after the result one. But the process of the system is not a pure. That's why a lot of people, they really get a success by their future or by their whatever what they wanted or what they're really doing in their life. They never succeeded. Because of this, they never succeeded. So let me share you one example. Imagine 2 people are really working for. They came from the same village. They came from the same country. They're not internet. They're not something as much as comfortable as current days. But the first one is really, they are also preparatory students. The first friend or the first guy is, after he came back to the school, he started uploading a content on the YouTube. And the other one is, he tried dating with his friends. He tried playing a game and like wasting his time by silly things. But the first person or the first guy to really dedicate, he's telling to himself, when I got to the school, I really uploaded at least one video. Then 3 months later, the first man is really have 1 million subscribers only within 3 months. That's a huge achievement that got by a small simple achievement. But the second one is, or the other one is, he really repeated bad habits, really stay at the same time. Like, I will start tomorrow, I will post it tomorrow when I feel motivated, when I still run. But that is a huge problem between them. The first one is, as you look at it, he built a business. This man has really built a lot of multi-million business from that. He started a simple, then he really owned a lot of business after 3 months. That's the huge improvement, and that's a huge simple system that made himself, that made him show his future in better ways. The problem is not your motivation. The problem is not your lazy, because the problem is your system. You depend on the motivation, not a goal. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can really set a system rather than a goal. Goal is, as I told you before, there is not a put, not a system, and that not is an input. An output is a system. In this video, I'm gonna show you 4 powerful tips what you have to do in your or in your next time. Because most people, they really do these things and they're a lot of, if you look at most successful leaders, because winners, when they're not wake up with motivation, they wake up to command this system. They have a good system, they have a good personality, a personality that today people admire, respect, and remember forever. You want to know that person, you want to be that person or that guy, but you don't have really good system. To be honest, how many times you start really doing something, go to the gym, to YouTube, business, everything in your life, then how many times you start really, you cut it every time. This is not actually your indicator your laziness. Even if you're not a lazy or you're not a like something filthy. The problem is, as I told you, your system. Everybody's have a great destiny. Everybody's born with a great capacity to having a great potential. But to really figure out it, or to really bring out, to really show that talent or that capacity, they need a good system. Everybody stay with me. And if you came to YouTube to watching something meaningful like this educational and motivational content, as well as communicational content, subscribe our YouTube channel. The first tip is that completely fix your system is all decided today. Just remove the daily decision. Most successful people in the world, they plan their life or they plan their days at night. Because when they really started the days, they have a path where they want to go. They have a path there where they want to meet or what they really do the specific things. But most people, they really wake up from their sleep. They really do it randomly. That's why the major difference between the successful and the other person. If you want to become really good at your life, if you want to become really successful on your life, this is your first turning point. Remove this daily decision. Just plan your day, plan your week at the night. Then when you start the day, when you start this, you follow the path. That's why the major difference between a goal without plan is just like a wish. But a goal with a system, a goal with a repeated plan, it is have actual goal, it is an actual path. That's why most people, they never get their dreams, because the only one top person or the only one top successful person not about it. They're really not a gifted, they're really not a talented, but they are really understand about this. They are really decided their days and nights, and they really follow the days or the system on them. Let me tell you stories. The first CEOs are really, those two CEOs have a really good experience. They are really good at the work, but the first CEOs really wake up at the 10 a.m. and we really read for 30 minutes a book and really improve your leadership skills while learning just only 30 minutes. The other CEOs just wake up and just play the emails. But after years or years later, the first one is that woman who really read or develop a leadership skill, how really have a good capacity or have really good leadership ability rather than the other one, because the other one just replay the random email or the random email word. That is also important, but when we compare to the first one, is that is like something or other listings. So the first company CEO is really boost or really benefited $1 million per month. That is the huge, because he got a really leadership ability, he got a really leadership actual decision. So he tried really this is a small decision, then remove completely a lot of. Then the second tips that completely makes you a good habits are to really improve your communication, or to really have that's really help you to having a good dreams, or to really having a good system is an absolutely is too much strategy. Most people, they're really thinking about how things they do it first, but that is completely wrong, because when you really do it, a very small simple step repeated daily, then after days, after measures, especially after years, you got a huge results on bad that things. But most people, they're really overthinking about it too much strategy. That really kill their mindset, or that really kill their overthinking. Let me show you the real example. A man who wanna be really a runner, just he really run only 5 minutes per day. Then I repeat that 5 minutes every day without cheating, without barring. It is so simple for running 5 minutes for an athlete, but after years, he became a good athlete. Then he won a lot of medals, Paralympic. Every medalist that world, he deserves it, because he really taken a small, simple repetitive. He not doing ever exaggerate or big or massive things at all. That's the difference between most people, they never do it. If you really put the simple strategic step on your lot, then you see his result future. So the third tip is that really makes you fellowship proof system, fellowship proof habit builder. Most people that really try to start doing something, then they do it for 1 week or maybe for 2 weeks, maximum for 2 weeks, then really quit it. But after they quit it, they cannot repeat it. They back to their old habit. That is the major difference between successful and unsuccessful people. If you really quit it, you have to really back to that habit. Just instead of making, or instead of telling to yourself, I just quit the habit, or instead of just saying, I just leave it quiet, and that is so hard to tell you to yourself, I just paused the habit, or I just paused the system, then I had to really continue. Then that is really boost your system. When you really, everybody's really fail, but they have really ability, or they have a habit of continuous. That is the major difference between them. The last one is track the habits, or track one habit at a time. Most people, they really try to track overall habit what they really are, overall system what they really said, but that is really completely different, or but that is completely wrong things. When you try to really track overall of your habit or overall of your system, you really got a huge or frustrated. I know the habit or building a habit is so boring to you, but when you train yourself really track at the small, you make yourself better. So try to master these 4 habits and makes your habit powerful more than it can really possible. Really, this is not a bold promise. Really, believe me, after 6 months, after 90 days, or after really 6 months, you really got a huge results on your days, or you really huge results on your personality if you already follow this 4 step. So try to master it and apply on your life. You got a very important personality on your future. Here is Kenix, the place where really communication power you beating. As you know, we bring an educational and motivational content, especially communicational content and personal development to procure practical and advisable ways of meeting. So if you want to already watch like this content, subscribe our YouTube channel.